Hi guys, welcome back on my channel MakeLab TV, and today I want to talk to you about earn per clicks and cost per clicks. Okay, that's what EPC and CPC stands for. It's earn per click and cost per click. So this formula is used in paid advertising. When you pay to advertise a product online, either if it's native ads, solo ads, email marketing, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, pop-ups, name it. All the traffic that you pay online to make business, you need to know your EPC and your CPC, okay? So the earn per click, it's the amount you earn. So let's say you earn $5 per click, okay? And let's say that your cost per click is $3, okay? So that means that your cost per click, every time somebody's gonna click on your link, the cost per click, you're gonna get $5. So basically, you're in profit of $2 each time that you're gonna spend $3 on this advertising platform that you are using. So now you understand how big businesses make money online, because they found a way to put advertisement for any kind of products on the internet and find a way to target the right kind of people with the right kind of messages, okay? This is called marketing here. They know that if they put this ad on internet, the average cost for somebody to click on it is $3. But overall, the product they're selling with this thing is maybe, let's say, $100, okay? So it costs them an average $3 to get somebody on this website. But since the product they sell is $100, in average, their earn per click average will be $5, because not everyone is gonna buy the product. So let me give you another example, okay? So here, another example I want to show you. Let's say you're putting an ad on Futurenet or banner ads, anything, and you sell a product for about $10, okay? If they go on the link and they go through the process, they're gonna buy a product that's gonna give you 10 bucks. You find out on the platform what is your cost per click, because they're supposed to tell you what is your cost per click. You see it's 25 cents. Okay, that's good. But now you need to know, okay, I spent for, let's say, $10 of clicks. That means I got 40 clicks, okay? You got 40 clicks for $10. So now you need to check how many money did you get, how many sales did you get for $10. So that means you sold for $50 worth of products, okay? So that means that we were selling it for $10. That means 5 person out of those 40 clicks purchased. So now, okay, that happened one time. But as you promote again and you promote again, the statistics, because it's all a matter of statistic. At one point, the average will stay mostly the same. You always need to make sure that your earn per click is bigger than your cost per click. At one point, when you purchase a lot and a lot and a lot advertising, when you spend more than $500 per day or $200 per day, you need to make sure that your earn per click is bigger than your cost per click almost every day, because let's say it goes the other way and like the market change, you need to be there to react, because you're spending a lot of money in this. But overall, that's what it is. Always make sure that whatever you earn is bigger than what you spend for. So I hope this helps a couple of you. It's a lot of new information for you. If you know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment and put me a thumbs up. I'm gonna put in the description below a link that links to Futurenet. If you want to use Futurenet advertising, it's really like, that's where I get the best cost per click. It costs me barely anything, and that's where I get the most earn per click. The reason why is Futurenet people are buyers. People that see the advertisement with Futurenet, they are buyers. That's why I think it's easier. But try it on any traffic source. I'll make more videos about this anyways. Have a good day. Leave me a thumbs up if that's clears some things up a little bit. Subscribe, watch my videos. Goodbye.